Hello again. We're going to make some bookmarks. I'm going to give some instructions this time. So this is the list of supplies. We've got tape, scissors, pencil, cardstock, and ribbon. We're going to start out by folding our paper in half longwise, then once again. And I'd like you to cut a long, thin strip off the side where that crease is. Take it, fold it in half, and cut that one more time. All right, so now you're going to come up with your design. This can be anything you want. Make sure though to leave a little bit of room at the top because we're going to punch a hole up there later, and you don't want to punch a hole right through your favorite part of the design. So make a little mark up there. I decided to just do some of the happiest things I could think of, and since this is a bookmark, the message is read. So we've got balloons, sky, some birds, some bright colors. You are welcome to try my design if you like, though you are encouraged to make your own. So you could do your favorite animal, your favorite place, food, someone that's special to you, whatever your heart's desire. Now for the hole punch. So you're going to put that directly over your mark, and hopefully your hole punch is a little better and stronger than mine. So you're just going to punch that out, and then later we'll come back to that again. Next, if you have laminating sheets, great, but most of the time people don't have those hanging around the house. What they do have is packing tape. So you're going to do the same thing on the front and the back. So I did it a little bit differently here, but I encourage you to do what I'm doing here on the back. So put 2 pieces of tape that meet in the center, and you're going to do the same thing on the front. Now the reason why is you want to make sure that the paper is fully covered and that those pieces of tape, the ones on the back, stick to the ones on the front, because it's going to make the cutting part easier. And you can see here, I didn't do that this time around. So yeah, the cutting part was not as simple. So I'm trimming that down a little bit, but I'm making sure everything is covered. So I'm going to cut that down, but I'm going to fold the edges over because right now in the front, the edge of the paper is still showing, but we want that paper to be fully sealed. All right, a little bit of touch-ups. Then we're going to take the hole punch and punch that through the same spot just to get rid of that excess tape there. Lastly, we'll put a ribbon through there. So what you'll do with the little ribbon is loop it, push that loop through, then take the ends, pull it through, and knot it. And there you have your cute little bookmark.